All might be the grievance from the citizens, you two guys.
Yeah,
We'll go ahead and
okay.
hold you all.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sergeant H.R. Douglas, and I'm the Vice President of Vietnam Veterans of America, Chapter 1148 here in Campbell County. We're the fastest growing VVA chapter in the nation. We've got about 140 members. We're a veteran service organization, and we're responsible for all of these banners that were in downtown Eufaula, you know, the deceased veterans. And our next project is a veterans park with a big 24 by 12 American flag, and it's going to be located down here between Caravel Cares Playground and that dialysis clinic. Kind of, you can see it from Shoney's. But it's going to be visible from Interstate 75. I don't know how many thousands of people will view it every, year. That's the most heavily traveled interstate in the world. And but it's going to be a plus for the entire county. It's going to be a focal point and a landmark, but it's to honor the flag, our country, and the veterans. There'll be one same-size flag pole is up at Food City, and then around it will be the service flags. And Ronnie has given you all out the information. But we believe it'll become a landmark, and it'll be a real positive thing for the entire county. And the letters we handed out are pretty much self-explanatory. That's the quote from Allen Sign Company. They're the contractor, and it's a professional, be well lit, concrete. Tom Allen is the president of Allen Sign Company. They do the signage for UT. It's a big company, and they're going to be the contractor. So we appreciate any help that y'all can give us.
How much have you got now? Do you have a?
Well, we've got
You gotta go in here.
several. Yeah, the quote is on there.
146,000.
It's going to take 146,000. We have got some promises, and we've got some that we've taken up. Well, we need all the help we can get, because when we sign the contract, which should be another month or two, we have to have a third of that down, which is about $40,000. And to sign the contract and get all the permits and all that stuff, we will. And we don't have that much in the account. I think we've got about $10,000, but we have promise from here, promise from here, promise from here, but we don't have it in the account yet. But we'll have to have it when we sign the contract. You got anything, Ronnie?
This, like I say, this is for the whole county. It's something to be proud of. And we want everybody to be involved. Jellicoe, Caravel, Eufaula. And that's one reason that we're doing this. If everybody's this day and time got their hand out wanting something.
Well, I don't think the veterans, I mean, they're not paid, you ain't recognizing that.
Well, that sounds great. But if you can find your way to help us in any way, it'd be greatly appreciated. But if you can't, we still want everybody to be involved.
Yeah.
Because
It's
for the
going to
county.
be well lit, it's going to be professionally done, and there'll be hundreds of thousands of people a year. Used to they talked about the Christmas Inn.
No, I think it's 35,000.
Okay, but the flag will be, the American flag will be the tallest, and it's going to be a landmark when we get it done and finished.
I don't have a problem with the board. I mean, I don't know what, we probably couldn't give you an amount right now. What
That's
we can
fine.
give, because
No.
the budget was in July.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can you all, I'd like to try to be a part of it. I
Yeah,
don't know if you-
well, look at the, it's got all the details as much as we could put them down. And, whatever y'all can do, we appreciate it. Everybody working together, we can
What about private donations if you start?
Oh,
asking
yes,
for that,
yes,
get
right
involved
here's,
in those right there?
here's your private donation guide.
Can I get a card?
Yeah.
And the contact information too, so we'll always run it. And I know a little bit about this project
Do
too.
you? Okay.
I work with Caribou and actually.
Oh,
worked on the
okay,
project,
okay, good,
and
good,
And
yeah.
I think my brother Kevin, you may have
Okay.
met him before too,
Yeah,
the structure
yeah.
part of
The information, I don't have anything right here now, but the information's all on that,
it. Yeah, that's a good thing.
oh yeah, I think the Colonel Marvin Bolanger is the guy who started all this. And it's the best thing, those banners, best thing I've ever seen for the veterans. Of course, we sponsor the Veterans Day Parade. We're a service organization. We help members of, this one veteran died. And we went and did her a screen porch. And then she had a quilt that somebody had given her husband. So she gave us that quilt. We auctioned it off, and we got $1,100 for that quilt. And then we got some other donations. We took that girl $3,000 just for that quilt, and that's what we wanted to do. Of course, we also helped her do her screen porch. She didn't have anybody to help her. So we went and did that. So, it's a good bunch of guys. Veterans are a special group.
Yes.
Yeah, they really are. So we appreciate it. If y'all can help us with,
HR, yeah, I know you don't remember who I am, I was gonna shake your hand.
Yeah.
And I appreciate it.
yeah.
But I'm in post to see you.
That's true. That's true.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, Charlotte.
Yeah. Yeah, how you doing?
Appreciate you guys.
Hey, Charlotte, no.
Thank you.
I didn't know who you was.
Well, that's me, bud. Roy. How you doing,
Hey, I'm
bud?
gonna call Brother Bingham on you.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing?
Doing pretty good.
How long your grandpa baptized his
Yeah.
dad?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty well known.
There you go.
We'll see y'all later.
All right.
Thank you much.
Thank you.
Do we have a motion to approve the previous minutes, the meeting?
I make a motion to do that.
Roy,
Yes.
Mark,
Yes.
Mayor.
Yes. Any old business? Old business? Scott?
I'm here tonight to represent Bobby Baird. He's the one box lot 1 through 5 on Main Street, and we've graded out, of course, went to the planning commission, got all the approval. Then, as far as the top of the cut, questions started coming up as far as safety. Shane and I have talked about it since the project started. Bobby has always wanted to do a guardrail. And of course, that was to his best interest also when he built a building, not worrying about a vehicle coming off and hitting his building. So Bobby, this was going to be a proposed guardrail, but we had the guardrail company and their roadway solutions, their certified T-Dot guardrail. The guardrail was put into T-Dot specifications also. And I've got a sketch showing you the location of the guardrail and how far we were off, had to come up from the property line to make it safe and put the guardrail at the top of the slope. So we got 9.7. We were also able to create a shoulder where if something does happen. We've put the reflectors, the night reflectors too on it. So now instead of it, we're actually showing the location as installed. So this is the way it's installed. And we were just really just asking for your all's blessing, and that in some cases down the road, we may want to approach the planning commission, because what Bobby's done here probably should have been done at ABC Tree. Some other places that happen is developers come in and change the depth of the slope in the fall. So in this case, we were very fortunate that Bobby was willing to put that cost. And so now you all have seen it, and be sure to go by at night sometime too, and you'll see what kind of their standards.
How
and
far is
everything.
the guardrail off for the roadway?
It's like 8 feet. Yeah. Which, and it's consistent. Before, we had areas that were maybe 2 feet off.
Yeah.
So we flattened that all out to where it would be the same slope. And if you look and see what, ABC done, they'll have some areas that it might be 3 feet off the road before it starts off.
Yeah. So,
And we don't have the depth down there, they do too.
Well, if they'd had I'd say if they'd had a building there, they would have they'd have to put something there.
Yeah, because that's kind of the, protection for both, yeah. But I want to let everybody know too that the guardrail was put in by certified guardrail, and you can see that from the equipment. So.
Can you give us have you got a copy of the specs on that guardrail?
Yeah, I can send you the PDF electronic file of
If
it.
you can send it to EMA,
I
we'll
will.
get a copy and that way.
Yeah, I can actually send you both of them if you want me to send you it to you on the electronic file.
Whatever,
Okay.
her name and name.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll just send you a PDF file of it and we'll keep that in.
Do we have a motion to go ahead and approve that?
I make a motion.
I second it.
It's slow, so.
That's all right. You don't give me that.
Mr. Green, you made the motion, correct?
Do we have a motion? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Green,
Yes.
Delay,
Yes.
Mayor.
Yes.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
The next thing, the fire department pump testing, Jay,
We do it every year. We have to have the pump tested on the truck, and also we go ahead and have the truck serviced. It's rather expensive. I don't know the price of it. You know the nature of that.
I believe it was 2,200.
It's over 2,000.
I mean, it's something we have
It's
to
every
have.
year you have to do it.
Yeah.
We have a motion.
I make a motion to do that.
Mr. Green,
Yes.
Mr. Delay,
Yes.
Mayor.
Yes. Daniel, you want to explain this reporting system?
Yeah, the reporting system we have is called Civic Eye. And actually, it's the Tiber reporting part that we're having issues with. Of course, Elaine does the Tiber reports, when she sends them in. About every time we send them, it's not sending all the reports through. Basically because Civic Eye is based under the NIBRS, which is a national incident reporting system instead of the Tennessee incident reporting system, Tiber, which we have to report to. I think everybody's been having a problem. There's been several agencies that are changing and getting away from Civic Eye. Civic Eye started to fall when I was down there. When I came here, it was already incorporated here. I guess my thing is we would like to try to find something that was compatible, that would work with Tiber's, and we can make this work. I did talk to a Microsystems down at the last Tiber's conference when we were down there. They sent me some quotes. It's kind of expensive. The Follett's getting ready to go with them. If we go and get on the Follett's database part of it, it's going to cost us like $15,000 and then $6,000 a year. So if we get our own, it's going to cost us $25,000 plus $6,000 a year. They want $5,000 to do a data conversion from Civic Eye, which is basically pull all of our reports back from Civic Eye and put them back into this other. But it has to be under a different thing, and Civic Eye is not wanting to work with any other reporting system. So they don't want to give it up. So we basically print them all off, and we just have to do that.
Is it something to do with like with the computers in the car? Does it work? It don't work through those?
Well, yeah, it would still do that eventually, but I'm talking about the system. It's our main reporting system where we do all our offense reports, all of our arrest reports, anything like that that has to be sent into Tiber's every Wednesday. And Elaine can go through and pull those reports and just send them through. But it's messed up, and I wish she was there, she could explain it to you better than I can, but, it's not working. We've had a lot of trouble out of it.
Let me give you a guy's number, and you call him, I'll get it for you.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
send it to you. Because I talked to him about this, they had some issues, and see if it's kind of the same thing, because he had some kind of solution to it, I think. It's the same thing. And see what he tells you about it.
Okay. Or,
And you know, then we'll check, try to see what we can do for it.
okay. I know it's gonna be a lot of money starting out, but, and they're more costly, they're about $2,200 more a year, but we're paying $3,800 for civic eye. That's a year, right?
You'd think if the state and the federal government wants all this information, they'd give you some money to send it to them.
So, but that,
I mean, my God.
that's where we're, and I don't know exactly what the company, which we didn't really have a company, what, 10 cop or something before?
Before they was 10 copies.
What's the sheriff's department?
10
They're
copies.
using this right now, but they can't do their report, so they're having to go back and double up, so they're using 10 cop to send their stuff to Tivers, and using this, the Civic Eye, for everything else, so they're doing double the work. You know, the thing about the system was it was supposed to make life easier, where you didn't have to, like the 10 cop, I think, you know, the old handwritten offense report, whoever did the Tivers, like in Lanes, you'd have to go in there and type every bit of that info in, correct? And then send it to them. And that's the way the jail's still doing it. So with this system, you're supposed to just be able to go in there and pull those reports and kind of like copy and paste them and send them on. But, you know, the problem is they're working through the national incident thing, and we're working through Tennessee incident. So it just created a problem. I mean, if you got some suggestions, we'll do.
But it's on mine.
Yeah.
The only thing I know is the guy sends you his number and you kind of talk to him.
All right.
Now, this might be something entirely different, you know, I don't know. But just run it by him and see.
Yeah. Well, maybe he's got some insight before we can do something.
Let's kind of look around and see
All right.
what we can do with it, I mean. Oh, Lordy. Do we have a motion to approve ordinance 138, it's the sewer ordinance amendment for the utilities?
I make a motion to do that.
Mr. Green,
Yes.
Mr. Lay,
Yes.
Mayor.
Yes. The next thing's the resolution 378, that TCRS, it's basically where part-time employees don't get retirement and benefits. Do we have a motion to?
No, wait a minute, we're saying that they, it's just for our sake that they don't get that because of part-time, right?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I make a motion to do that.
Second.
Mr. Green,
Yes.
Mr. Lay,
Yes.
Mayor.
Yes. Oh, there's a lot of resolutions on here. Do we have a motion to approve resolution 379 to amend the budget for 2025 and 2026?
I make a motion to do that.
Second.
Who made the motion? Mr. Lay,
I made the motion.
Mr. Green, you seconded?
Yes.
Mr. Green,
Yes.
Mr. Lay,
Yes.
Mayor.
Yes. So the next thing, Jason want to trash a fan, I guess.
No, what?
A fan, an old fan, it ain't no good, put it down the way. Do we have a motion to trash it?
I make a motion to trash it.
I hear a second.
Yes.
Mr. Green?
Yes.
Mr. Lay?
Yes.
Mayor?
Yes. Jason, you got some stuff you need to get rid of too?
Actually, the gentleman took it and out of here, so the meeting, I'm not sure where they took it, but it's not in here now. The only thing that's in here right now that I know someone wanted, and I didn't know if anybody else wanted it or not, was that projector.
Didn't you say the Christian Academy?
The Christian Academy, asked if they could have it, but I wanted to make sure, because I don't know if it was given to the library or if it was given to Dan.
Do we have a motion to give it to the Christian Academy?
Question. If that's bought with government funds and things like that, won't that be a hell of a
It was donated to the library.
If it ain't nothing, we ain't getting rid of nothing that's any good, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just wanted to.
Mr. Green? Gordon? You voting? Mr. Lay?
Yes.
Mayor?
Yes. Hillary, or I don't know who could explain this one best, the loss control, the public entity report.
Yeah, they come up and do a survey, and then they make recommendations to you of things that they think needs to be addressed. And that's just approval to take their recommendations. There's different things on there, like the park needs stuff, little things done to it, and different departments that need things. But you need to approve their recommendations if you want to do it.
I approve their recommendations.
Well, I talked to him about Daniel, he said that he would go through there once a month and do a report and add it on to the police department report. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Like we have been checked once a month.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have a motion?
I make a motion to do that.
Second.
Mr. Green?
Yes.
Mr. Lay?
Yes.
Mayor?
Yes. The other thing is to improve it. Brett Russell is like a reserve auxiliary type
Yeah.
police officer, $17 an hour. They use them when they're short-handed. They're not like a full-time employee, you know, they just get paid when they
Kind of as needed.
work. Yeah.
Not getting no benefits,
No.
just whenever they need.
I have a motion.
I make a motion to do that.
Second. Mr. Green?
Yes.
Mr. Lay?
Yes.
Mayor?
Yes. Next thing is to approve Dan as the acting recorder, city recorder.
I make a motion.
Second it.
Mr. Green?
Yes.
Mr. Lay?
Yes.
Mayor?
Yes. And the next thing we was talking about the policeman, how's his last name?
Got it.
Geyser.
Yeah.
He had done his, actually done more than, I guess, 3 months. He's been like, when did you say he was hired?
It was early this year, probably May.
He was part-time before the.
Yeah, he's been part-time for.
It's not on there.
Approved to put his pay with McCall, and I believe he's making 19 now.
I approve to bring his pay up to that.
That's what, do you make a motion?
Yes, I make a motion to do that.
Second.
Mr. Green?
Yes.
Mr. Lay?
Yes.
Mayor?
Yes. Anybody got anything else? You done the festival, ain't you? Fall festival? Hey, we appreciate your help.
That looks really good. Well,
Anybody else? We,
Gotta pay the bills.
we have a motion.
I make a motion, to pay the bills.
And financial report.
And finance.
He will speak up and tell you like I will.
I'm not gonna get it off now.
Is this check yet?
I know.
Mr. Green,
Yes.
Mr. Lay,
Yes.
Mayor,
Yes. There was one thing I forgot to mention. The fire chief, I talked to him earlier, and the ISO people, he met with him or talked to him today or sometime. And he said, when was it, Jay?
Middle of this month, they'll be doing another survey. So it may be a month or longer before it gets posted, but ISO is coming to a new survey.
That was good news.
Yeah.
Do we have a motion to adjourn?
I make a motion to adjourn.
I second.